Hey YouTubers, it's Natural Virgo 1922, better known as Yolene Andre. In today's video, we're going to talk about my skincare routine. If you're interested, keep watching. All right, let's get right into it. A lot of people have been DMing me on IG and also in person asking me what am I doing in regards to my skincare routine. Nothing really fancy, nothing special. I've been using these products for the past 6 months, and I've also included water, lots of water. The first product I'm going to talk about is going to be the Farmacy limited edition Very Cherry Clean. Okay. This is a makeup melt away cleansing balm. Retail price is $38 on Farmacy.com and also at Sephora.com. You get 3.4 fluid ounces in here. And when you open this up, it comes with a spatula. And then when you remove the lid, it has a this is what it is. It's like a cleansing. It puts you in the mind frame of Clinique's take the day off kind of thing. But it's just, and the scent is very like cherries. There's the original one is just clean. I want to say that's what it is, but the consistency is real good, and all you basically need is this much. To each his own how much preference you use, but it's $38, so I will be using it sparingly. How I came across this is I had a free sample of it, the original, on Farmacy, and I kind of figured this was a limited edition cherry flavor. Why not? It's not very overbearing. When you apply it on your face, it turns into a creamy consistency once you add water and you basically wash away. So I really enjoyed this. So this is gonna last me a hot minute. The next item that I use is gonna be the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Cleansing Gel. It's a soap-free and sulfate-free. It is approximately 7.5 fluid ounces. And this is what it looks like. I've been using this for the past more than 6 months. So literally, yeah, more than 6 months. You don't need that much, like literally. And the scent of it, it really doesn't have a scent. It puts you in the mind frame of like a little citrusy smell, like really like a light citrusy, like maybe mandarin oranges or something. But how I use this is I use disposable facial cloths. I got these when I went to Dubai, so and you can order these online on Amazon. And basically they're disposable facial towelettes, and there's like 80 pieces, and this is what they look like. There's a lot, like the dimension is really nice. And I just use 1 pump of the Dr. Gross and basically just wash my face. You can use a wash rag, you can use your fingers or your hands, whatever your preference is. But for me, I just use this because once I wash it, I can just throw it away. I don't like to recontaminate my face. A lot of people you can go through different type of wash racks, but I prefer these. They're more sanitary for me. And that's what I use. After I finish washing my face, I would use the Farmacy honey potion. I'm not quite sure. Did I tell you guys this was like $38? Okay, I want to make sure I say that. $38 for this. You can get it at Sephora.com. Now the next thing is from Farmacy. It's another Farmacy item. It's the honey potion renewal antioxidant hydration mask, mask hydrant. This is really awesome. Let me see, make sure it focuses a little bit. Okay. The best it's gonna do. Now, when you open it, the box, it comes with a spatula, a magnetic spatula on top. Okay, sorry about the mess, this residue. But anyway, I'm gonna open it up and show you the consistency. Now, the consistency puts you in the mind frame of petroleum jelly. It doesn't have a real scent per se. Like there it is right there. And it stays on there. It's not going anywhere unless you actually spackle it on your face. Like, this is awesome. And what I do is I take a spatula and I put it all over the face. Now, I have to warn people, this has a warming sensation. The minute you apply it, you basically put it over clean face and you leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes. I tend to leave it on for 30 minutes, like prior to hopping into the shower, and then it rinses off. But when it does rinse off, it does become like a creamy, milky formula, and then it just washes off. Now, the heating sensation is not gonna like dent it. It's not hot. It's just warm. Like you can feel it the more you rub it, the more it's activating whatever's doing to actually warm up. This hydration, I use this every other night. This is like the bee's knees, and literally it's made out of honey. So it keeps my face really hydrated, and sometimes I don't even have to do a moisturizer afterwards. But after this, I do tend to put a moisturizer on. And this, I'm not quite sure if I said it, but this is 1.7 fluid ounces, and this is $38 also. I think everything pretty much on the table is $38. You can go to Sephora.com or you can go to Farmacy.com and you can purchase this. The next item after I finish my mask, I will do my moisturizing cream, which is from Embryolisse. I'm not saying it correctly. Forgive me for butchering names, but this is it. This is my oldie but goodie. This is like my second tube. It's Lait-Creme concentrate. It's basically multifunctional. You can use this as a moisturizer. You can use this as a primer to prior putting on your makeup or your foundation. A lot of celebrities, makeup artists use this. So you can buy them online. I actually go directly to the manufacturer and purchase it. Or you can go on Amazon. A lot of people say the ones on Amazon, the formula is different, and I haven't tried, so I actually purchased this from the website. It took a while for this to come in. Let me see, tell you how much this is. Now, I did a little bit of research. The price for this is $28 on the US Embryolisse website. I'm sorry, I butcher names. Anybody who knows me knows I will kill a name or trying to say something. But anyway, besides that, you get 2.5 fluid ounces, and I think the one on the website, they do have a smaller version, which is a 1.01 fluid ounces, and that's $16. They also have a light version. This is the concentrated. You basically just need like a pea size, like this much will do the trick. Like seriously, I don't use that much. That's why I think this is like my second tube in 3 years. Yeah, my second tube in 3 years. Like these, it goes a long way. So, and it's very moisturizing. Like literally, it doesn't have a scent. It's very neutral. Like, I don't know. I've been using it forever, so I'm not quite sure. You kind of get used to the smell, but it's very nice and it's very soothing. Sometimes when I don't wear makeup, I just put that on and just walk out the door, and it does the trick the whole day. So basically that ends my skincare regimen, and that's basically in what I use on a regular basis. I also highly suggest lots of water. Water is the key to everything. Keeping yourself hydrated will do a difference on how your skin looks and how makeup lays on your face. And trust me, I've learned the hard way. Like it took me being in Alabama and a consultant, I don't know, they have names, whatever, beauty gurus or whatever, and especially YouTubers. I've learned, and doing a good skin regimen allows your makeup to look flawless. Like seriously, I mean, remove dead skin cells. If you have dead skin cells on your face, the makeup won't lay at all. No matter how much primer you put, you can spackle it on, it's just gonna look really textured or whatever. And that was my issue. So I've been incorporating these for the past 6 months, and it's been working for me. And of course I moved from different states, from Alabama to Cleveland. And now that I'm back to Florida, it makes a difference with the humidity. So I'm working with items that are working for me. These might not work for you, but this is what's working for me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content of this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and hit your notification bell every time I upload a video. Thank you again for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.